Now that I have started CorelDRAW, let me open a new document. Most visiting cards are rectangular in shape. So, the first obvious step is to draw a rectangle. I am using the rectangular tool to do this. I'll change the width and height to a suitable dimension. The next step is to put in the text matter into our card. I am using the text tool. Observe where I am typing the name and designation. You can type it wherever you want. I align it. Now for the next piece of text. Some embellishments to the font. There are a whole lot of fonts you can choose from. You must choose the font depending on the profile of the person for whom you are designing the card. Some people prefer a serious orthodox look, while some others are okay with the slightly informal touch. Now I want to demarcate a section of this card. I'll use the Bezier tool to draw a demarcating line. Now, here I type the address. Now, I want to manipulate this text. I'll select the text and choose Arrange, Convert to Curves. See the text now? This option separates out each letter. And now I select the Shape tool. This further fixes the anchor points on the letters. Using these anchor points, I pull the letters to form the design of my choice. I am now going to my company logo. I want it on the top left corner of the card. I choose the Ellipse tool. Ellipse is a shape. See how it looks? I fill color into it. I make a duplicate of the ellipse using this shortcut key Ctrl plus D. I color the duplicate as well. One more ellipse. I color it black. And I want to push this one behind all the others. For this, I come to Arrange, Order to, Back of Page. Do you see the black shadow effect to the logo? That's the third ellipse I created. Using the Text tool, I put the logo of my company. Coloring it white, creating a duplicate of it, color it black and push it behind. All this for a shadow effect of the text. There are many objects in this logo. I'll group them all as one entity using Arrange Group option. Now move it if you wish to using the Move tool. Now my creativity takes over. I am playing with the text, a shadow effect in the blue color. I'm done. Before giving this design to the printer, you must indicate the cut marks. I do this using the Bezier tool. So, here's where the printer will cut off vertically. Now for the other side. I duplicate this line using Ctrl plus D. I move it to the other side. Now for the vertical cut marks at the bottom. Select the two from the top. Do Ctrl D and drag it below. Now for the horizontal cut marks. I duplicate this line to make it horizontal. I rotate it using the shortcut Ctrl D. Now for the horizontal cut mark at the bottom left corner. I duplicate this. This time using the Edit Duplicate option. Now group the horizontal cuts. Duplicate them and drag them to the right side. The cut marks are ready. While you can make your visiting card of any size, the universally accepted size is 92 by 54 millimeters. Now, sit back and relax while I beautify my visiting card with better colors, styles and presentation. Now, I am done. Finally. Time to save the file. .cdr format. Now it is ready to be sent for printing. Most printers prefer to have the file in PDF format and with all the fonts and related files in one folder. To put them all in one folder, go to the File, Prepare for Service Bureau. This is the wizard that opens up. Select Gather all files associated with the document. These are the fonts I have used in my design. Now I can generate the .pdf and save the file.